Hi everyone, today I want to introduce you to an end-to-end meeting solution that's designed to give you fast, flexible, and limitless connectivity, collaboration, and engagement. Smart TeamWorks. With Smart TeamWorks, give your teams the ultimate meeting experience, ease of use, and flexibility from any device on any web conferencing platform. With the simple meeting-centric front-of-room calendar, you can see all your upcoming meetings and all the associated web conference links with them. You get access to your personal cloud storage and your personal calendar by scanning in a QR code and transferring over your credentials to the screen. You can natively screencast wirelessly your AirPlay, Chromecast, and Miracast devices directly to the screen without any wires. And with one button meeting launch, you can go directly into your meeting to access your web conference app, get access to a whiteboard that you can optionally share to anyone, anywhere in the world, and get access to key productivity apps that your organization has made available to you in TeamWorks. Quick credential transfer using the TeamWorks Contributor app makes it easy for you to access your cloud-based storage and your personal calendar. Simply scan in the QR code at the front of the room with your Contributor app in order to transfer your credentials and get access to your OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox cloud accounts. Also transfer over your own personal calendar that includes embedded web conferencing links so you can go directly into your web conference. You can either start your meetings from the TeamWorks Contributor app or from the front of the board. And once you do that, your TeamWorks Contributor app becomes a trackpad where you can use it to control access to your files, launch your meetings. Once you're inside your files and you go into a folder, instantly open any file type and start interacting with your file at the front of the room. TeamWorks supports you to wirelessly screencast up to 8 devices to your display by using the device's native AirPlay, Google Cast, and Miracast, and share these results with remote colleagues by using an available web conferencing solution. So from the front of the room, I can easily select which device that I would like to be the prominent display, and then quickly switch in between while in the same meeting in case I want to switch between participants. One of the key capabilities that TeamWorks gives you is a highly interactive and collaborative whiteboard that you can either use to launch within a room and get access to a variety of different files and objects that you can mark up and edit. But you can also share out this whiteboard with participants by either doing a share link or by a QR code that they can scan in directly. And then you have the ability to manage the participants from the TeamWorks whiteboard, and you can see what they are doing live with their interaction with your collaborative whiteboard. You also have an ability to save your session, your whiteboard session, somewhere either on a local drive or on a shared drive that you are able to then import and resume later on. At the end of your session, once you've decided to leave your meeting, you will be prompted to now have a look at creating a recap. And what this recap does is it doesn't just save the file. What this does is it creates a PDF package that provides you the whiteboards that you created, the objects that were added to the whiteboards, and any of the markups that you did, and gives you a number of different options of either printing or email or saving to files so that you can share it with your colleagues later. So TeamWorks simplifies meeting start, collaboration, content sharing, and meeting recap with in-room or remote participants. Give your teams the tools that they need to communicate and collaborate effectively. Thank you for watching.